Let's see how to make Microsoft Word documents single-spaced. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, let's say that we want to make the spaces between these lines a little bit smaller. And to do that, we have to adjust the line spacing. So first, what we can do is look for the paragraph section in the Home tab. And the line spacing could be this one right here. And you should be able to see all of the different presets for your line spacing, including one line spacing or single line spacing. And to apply that to your entire document, simply highlight or select your document and click on this icon and change it to 1.0. And you can also make such as that this single line spacing will be applied to every document that you have by setting it as single right here when you open the paragraph section, and by clicking on set as default, and by selecting all documents based on the normal template. And that is how you can make your spacing between lines into a single spacing. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.